Welcome to my closet transformation tour 2020. So outside of my closet door, you just see a couple of my handbags. These are some of my handbags that I like to use every day or for a casual occasion. I just like them right here, easy for me to see. Let's open the closet. Okay, over here we have all my dresses, and I have color coded them. So you see the blacks, the whites, the reds, orange, blues, greens, and the multicolored on the other side over there. Yes, I really like it. On top I have some of my shoes, not really in any color, but I think my mom's mission with this side was to just have like all my wedges over here and just go from there, so it'll be like wedges to like heels. So see my black, brown, multicolored. Oh, these are my favorites. Those are from Fashion Nova. I really like those are yellow. I'm not sure why it's picking up like lime green on camera, but they're yellow. Then up here we have the booties. We have my reds, my black ones, and then cheetah over there. Those are actually sneakers. I like them so much. As we move down, you have my shirts. So over here I have my short sleeve shirts, and they're also color coded: black, white, pink, yellow, brown, blue, etc. Below I have my skirts, multicolored, then black, and then I have some, I believe these are like shorts, kind of, yeah, shorts, and then skirts right here. And then my pants, the way to the back. Oh yes, I forgot to mention, so if I move that, you can see some of my other purses as well. I think they're really cute. Oh, this blue one, oh yes, so cute. Yes, this bag is from Target, if you're wondering. I forgot to mention that behind here I have wigs, braiding hair, and other hair extensions that I use when I want to put my hair in a protective style. Behind I have just some accessories. I have my scarves, just one over here, and this is just my brown scarf. Some accessories for my bag, as well as, and this is just an empty shoe bag. If I have a pair of shoes that I need to put in that bag, I can just put it there. Now let's move along to up here. That's me. And then below I have my wig. I have a certificate of completion from my community college. Right here I have just stuff that I wear to the gym. Yes, they are. So these are like my pants. And below I have my gym shirts. Below that I have some everyday t-shirts. They're black and white or there. And then I have one of my bags down there. On this side I have my long sleeve shirts. So they're also color coded. That was very important for me, so that's why I took the time to really make sure that I had all my browns, the blues, the greens, whites, all of that together, because in case I needed to go somewhere and they were like, well, just wear black, I can just pick it up and say, okay, you know. So that was very important for me, for my clothes to be color coded. It took a while, but I'm so happy that I did that. Then next to it I have some scarves and my blazers over here. And below that I have just my jackets. So these are like casual jackets. I have my jean jackets over there, and then I have my casual jackets over here, my sweaters as well. That's a fun time, right? On the right hand side I have some more shoes. Oh my gosh, I got this because when I was in my last semester of college I needed something to put all my shoes on, so I was really happy to have this, and I just kept it. On top I have some of my undergarments, you know, gotta keep everything snatched. Okay, right here I have some more of my handbags. Yes, indeed. Oh, I don't think you guys saw that. They're just right here. These are more like my, I don't know if you would say heavy duty, but my bigger handbags that I just didn't want over there, so that's why I kept them here. And then next to it I have some more accessories right here. I have some more accessories right here. These are just my belts, basically. Yes, my belts. Right here, I have my brushes and my necklaces. So that's a fun time. Below, I have my mascara. Oh, do not. I didn't realize I typed eyeline instead of eyeliner, but that's what it's supposed to be. And then my eyebrow products, and you can just see them right here. I got those from Walmart, the organizers. And below I have my blush, bronzer, and highlighter, lipsticks, and liners here. You can never have enough lipstick, can you? I guess you could, but I just like so many colors, so I just got that. My concealers and my contour palettes or products. And then these are my foundation, primer, setting, powder, stuff like that below. Below that I have my planning items. Oh, hold on, I didn't show you the concealer, contour, foundation, setting, powder, and spray. Planning items, so like my notebooks, journal, stuff like that. I also have my calendar. I usually put my calendar in there, but I took it out, so that's why it's not there. But yeah, blogging items. If you haven't checked out my blog, it'll be right here on the screen. Please check it out. I have very valuable content. Sometimes I talk about, it's really for a blog for an only child, and I talk about my experiences being an only child. But if you're not an only child, you can still read it as well. I talk about topics that many can relate to, but I just say it from the perspective of an only child. So make sure you check my blog out. Thank you. Books to read here. And then my YouTube items. My books, if I need to plan something for YouTube, they're there. And these are just wipes and stuff. And my Amazon Fire Stick. That's cool. That's cool. I have my accessories over here. These are just my earrings, rings, and my bracelets. And behind, I have my necklaces, as you can see. That's cool. This is my ring light. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I forgot to mention, behind over there, I have my heater. Okay, then I have my bag, one of my pajama items, and I have some more shoes. And that completes the tour of my closet. I hope you like this video. Please make sure you subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new YouTube video on Wednesdays and Fridays. And unfortunately, guys, this completes the end of the video, but if you check the left side right there, you can watch another video of mine, and I hope that entertains you until the next time. Okay, see you later.